Meet the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max. It is a powerful, pocket-sized flying camera tailored for content creators, travelers, and outdoor adventurers. It delivers cinematic quality footage with minimal effort. Perfect for aerial selfies, sports tracking, and quick travel videos. The Accessory suite, power case, beacon, filters, extends flexibility and creative control. It stands out as one of the best drones available today.
Welcome back to Unbox a Lot, and boy do I have an awesome item for you. I've been using this HOVERAir X1 almost daily. For all my aerial shots is coming from this, and I have never crashed this thing. It don't have a scratch on it. And I use this thing almost daily. But only problem with this guy is it only does 2.7K, and that's why I upgraded to this HOVERAir X1 PROMAX. Comes with a ton of different stickers you can put on this thing. You got a user's manual, and please read before flight. But we know how to fly this thing. It comes with a sample of the frame. It says, please try to tear or break. Let's see. Let's test it out. Let's see what these look like. This will fly completely on its own without the need for these joysticks. Comes in this nice little carrying case. It comes with a user's manual, 2 different cords to hook your phone up to. It's got Android and iPhone. And then you got your 2 joysticks. And you got some different little dials for the joystick to change out. Carrying case. We're loaded down with accessories. You got a strap, a handlebar mount, power adapter, plug-in outlet for your batteries, the beacon, use this with your joysticks, a magnetic adapter mount, and some lens filters. If it's real sunny out, these go right there on your camera. Let's go get this thing in the air.
Orbit, bird eye, dolly track, ski mode, cycling mode, indoor follow, hover.
This thing is packed with many different camera settings. It's got hover,
Zoom out, follow, orbit, bird eye, dolly track, ski mode, cycling mode, indoor follow, hover.
Alright, first mode we're going to test out is the hover mode.
Continue, hover.
This one's very simple. The drone stays in place and it just will track me in place. Alright, next mode we're going to test out is zoom out. I got mine set to 5 feet. You can go inside their app and change this distance.
5 feet. feet. Zoom out.
Next mode we're going to test out is follow.
Give me a walk with you.
No. Next is orbit. Next is bird's eye.
60.
All right, next is dolly track. That's for those cinematic shots.
Middle. Dolly track.
All right, next we got cycling mode. All right, now we got manual control.
Home point update.
Thing's pretty responsive. You can also connect your phone to get a better shot of what the drone's seeing.
Home point updated. The current location is now the home point.
The next feature we're going to show is the motion control. And you simply activate that by holding down this button on the back. I'm absolutely loving this HOVERAir X1 Pro Max. My favorite thing about this drone is it fits in your pocket. You have a professional grade drone right here in your pocket. Anybody can pick this thing up and use it. It's super simple. It connects directly to your phone. I can just link this up to my phone and I'll have all the video right there on my phone or PC. It's got a little USB. It's got a USB Type-C hookup right here. You can just connect it directly to your PC to get all your videos right there on your PC. I've never actually owned any kind of camera or drone that can film in 8K. And I'm absolutely loving the video quality from this. So you don't have to be a professional to get professional grade shots with this drone. Anybody can pick this drone up and use it. I highly recommend you check this out. Don't miss out on the best deals ever for HOVERAir. Enjoy up to 30% off from July 8th through 11th. Check it out. It'll be linked down below.